Hi guys, this is GLF number 18, some of the review, the odd problems. We want to know if the function is linear or nonlinear. Well, I go up by 2, go up by 2, and then I went down by 2. So I'd say right there, not linear right away. This one, my x and y's are not being divided, don't have any square roots, anything like that. So I would say definitely yes. Actually, the cover method would work to graph that, so that's good to go. Number 5, let's see the domain. It's a parabola, so it's going to go forever left, right, so negative to positive infinity. The lowest range value is going to be 0 because right there is our lowest at 0, 0. And it's going to go upward to infinity. And this is a continuous graph because I didn't have to lift up my pencil to do that. So that might help you with number 6. Number 7, we want to plug each of these values in. So I got 3 times negative 1 quantity squared plus 1. I also have 3 times 0 quantity squared plus 1 and 3 times 4 quantity squared plus 1. So this is going to give me 3 times 1 plus 1. So that's going to give me 4. That's going to give me 0 plus 1. So that gives me an answer of 1. This is going to give me 16. 16 times 3 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So that should help you on each of those ones. Number 9, it is an absolute value. Let's plug these in. So I'm going to get the absolute value of 1 plus 5. The reason it's 1 is I plug the negative 1 in, and negative negative is going to be positive, so that's going to be absolute value of 6. So the answer to this is just 6. If I plug 0 in here, I get 0 plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is just going to absolute value of 5 is 5. If I plug 4 in here, I'm going to get negative 4 plus 5, which is going to give me negative, or 1, absolute value of 1 is going to give me 1. Number 11, we want to find f at x. So that's a y value now, okay? So we're going to count up 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 gives me an x value of 1. Okay, that's all you have to do there. Number 13, this is definitely a cover method problem, the x and y intercepts. So this is an x value, so it's going to find me the y-intercept. So that gives me negative 6 because 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. This is a y value, so that's going to find me the x-intercept. So I'll cover up the y value. So negative 3 times what number gives me negative 30, and that would give me 10. So your y-intercept is 0, negative 6. Your x-intercept is 10, 0. Next problem, the x and y intercept. So I'm going to go 0 comma blank and blank comma 0. So this will find me the x and y intercept. This one will find me the y intercept. This will find me the x intercept. So if I plug 0 in for the x, 3 times what number gives me 15? That'd be 5. So the y intercept is 0, 5. For the next one, when I have a 0, I plug in for the y, that becomes 0. So 5 times what number gives me 15? So 3 comma 0. And then we want to find the slope. So when we find the slope, we're going to take the whole equation and we're going to start solving it. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. And then I'm going to divide everything by 3. And you can stop right there. Right there is our slope. So our slope is negative 5/3. Number 17. This we have to know is a vertical line. Vertical lines have an undefined slope. They will not be a y-intercept, so it does not exist. DNE. X-intercept will happen at, well, it's x equals negative 4, so it's negative 4. So negative 4 comma 0 is the x-intercept. Number 19, we just go ahead and skip it. Number 21, we're going to, I think we can do the cover method on this. So 0 comma blank and blank comma 0. So this is an x value right here. So negative 3 times what number gives me positive 6? That'd be negative 2. So 0, negative 2 is down here. This is a y value. If you plug that in, you get x equals 6. So 6 comma 0 is the x-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Solid line. Okay, again, number 23, we can do the cover method, 0 comma blank and blank comma 0. The reason we use the cover method or the intercept method is because x and y are on the same side. So that's an x value, so that's going to be a y-intercept. So 3 times what number gives me 24? So that'd be 8. So 0, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this is a y value right here, so we can go ahead and plug that in for y. So negative 4 times 1 never gives me 24, and that would be negative 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connect the dots, and you're good to go. Number 25, this one's given a point slope, so we're going to do opposite value of this, opposite value of that. So I get 1 comma negative 2. So 1 comma negative 2 is right here. And then this is my slope. So my slope is negative 3 over 1. So from that point, I'm going to go down 3, right 1, connect the two dots, and there you go. Number 27, this is an inequality. So I know I have a y-intercept at 7. My slope is going to be negative 1, so I'm going to go down 1, right 1. This is a dotted line because I don't have an equal sign. Okay, I have an inequality without the equal sign underneath it. Our test point we're going to pick is 0, 0. So 0, 0 is right here. If that's true, we shade the side that's on. If it's false, we shade the other side of the blue line. So I'm going to get 0 is less than negative 0, which is 0, plus 7 is 0, less than 7. That's true. Shade the side 0, 0 is on. So this is where your region exists. Number 29, we have a parabola, so we want to find the function at negative 3. So at negative 3 on our graph, it looks like it comes out to 3. So at negative 3 is back this way. So you find where that is on your graph. The domain of a parabola is negative to positive infinity because it goes forever right and left. It just grows. The range will go from our lowest point. In this case, our lowest point is negative 1, and it opens upward, so it goes forever up to infinity. Where is this graph negative? Negative means it's below the x-axis. Okay, so between these 2 points, it's going to be negative. So soft bracket, negative 2 to soft bracket 0. They're soft brackets because right on that x-axis, it's not positive or negative, it's 0. And where is this graph increasing? It's increasing from here up. Okay, so at soft bracket negative 1, because right at negative 1, it's actually a slope of 0. It's not increasing or decreasing. But from there to infinity, it works for you. And that should be it. Have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.